Is it recording? Oh, hey guys. Today I don't have my face cam because that's just the ice cream truck. It's gonna be really freezy when I have the face cam on. So I'm just going to Oh, is there not sound? Sorry about that, guys. There wasn't much sound on. Anyway, let's get to the Animal Jam. So I promised Susanna, Susanna C and Eden. Let me show you your channel names now. Fun with Susanna, or Fun with Susanna C. I call it Fun with Susanna C, but it's actually Fun with Susanna. And XX Whiskers XX101 / Susanna C and Eden. So I promised them that I would play Animal Jam Play Wild. So let's play it. So I haven't created the account yet. So I thought I should just show you guys because this is not my first time playing Animal Jam. I have played Animal Jam before, but that's a few years ago when I did not start my channel. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it's loading. I can see the loading icon. So they promised me that they would be in this game. Oh, but I don't think they're gonna be in it for a while because Susanna just made a new video. It's called Magical Something Season 1, Episode 1. I'm new to Well, I'm not new. I've played it before, but I'm new right now. Aren't you famous field? Is there anything that says Poopy Pants? Ariel Poopy Pants? I'm sorry, Susanna. I'm gonna have to change my name to Crunchy Famous. No, I'm gonna have to change my name to Crunchy Daredevil. Daredevil First Goat. I'm sorry, Susanna. I have to change it. Did you know
Welcome to your new home.
Hi.
My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay, I'll go follow you. Wait, hold on. Wait for me.
Here in Jamaa, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours.
Yay.
Go ahead and click on your animal picture to customize your look.
You can choose and combine lots of different colors. Okay.
You can choose and combine lots of different colors.
Can I change the eyelashes? Yeah, I think I like that. That looks really cute. Turn around. Yeah. I think I'll just leave it the normal blue color. This blue color. Oh, this blue. I have to do this again? Oh, I like the color that I had already. What do I press? Girl, I'm done.
You can change the shape and color of your eyes.
Oh my god. No, that looks too creepy. I think I'm gonna stick to the normal one.
Everyone seems to love the new you. How do you feel about it? To show others how you're feeling, click the emote button and then choose your favorite emote.
Okay.
To show others how you're feeling, click the emote button and then choose your favorite emote.
After this, I have to actually make a real account so I can talk to people and stuff. Let's see. Is there anybody I like in Animal Jam? Ooh, that guy looks fierce. Let's put some right?
I know just what you mean. Hey, look! Free stuff!
Oh, maybe I should keep those heart eyes because I have hearts on my heart. You want an item? Accept.
Look at all those gems! How many did you find?
7! I found 7! Okay, let me just skip this tutorial. Are you sure you want to? Yes! What just happened? Mo, what do you want to do next? Well... Where's my emote? Oh no, I don't want to do this. I want to emote. Is any person here named Susanna0808? I want to write my own stuff. Okay. How do you make your account? I want to make my account. How do I get it? Oh, just...
You need to invite.
Let's see. Guys. How do you get back to the menu? Oh, is this my den? I need to get to the main menu! Hold on, let me get to this. How do you get to the menu? What's the menu button? Maybe I should have finished the whole thing. Oh my goodness! I don't know how to do this. Really, I don't really know. Can't go anywhere. I want to get back to the main menu. Where is the main menu? Where's the main menu? I want to get to the main menu. Or is there a main menu, or is this the menu? Oh, let's make my account. my den look cool. So use all the free stuff, because I don't really have that much stuff right now. Put it here, put it here. No, put it here. Got it. Oh my goodness, guys. Well, that is an episode done for Animal Jam. We will continue this tomorrow, I think, or maybe later today, but mostly maybe tomorrow. But I will be uploading a new video, a new episode, season 1, episode 5 of Mermaid Secrets. I don't know when I'm going to make another episode of Dear Diary, but I will make one of those. Don't worry, that's coming up. The next episode will be a very juicy and spicy episode. But thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye. How do I end this video?